In the 15th century, the fleet, led by Zheng He, the famous Chinese mariner and diplomat, visited the Arabian Gulf through the Strait of Hormuz with exquisite silks and porcelains, which ushered in a new era of great peace and friendship between China and countries along the maritime Silk Road. Cultural exchange and bilateral trade are still the popular themes to date. From the UAE Vision 2021 to the Abu Dhabi Economic Vision 2030, Chinese business community's contribution to UAE's national initiatives and Emirates' development plans and blueprints are plain to see. In June 2004, the Chinese Business Council in UAE, CBC, established. It comprises about 180 Chinese members, large businesses and SMEs, ranging from energy, constructions, telecommunications, textile, shipping, air transport, logistics, finance, furniture, exhibition and conference organisation, restaurants and travel services. CBC is devoted to enhancing the communication and cooperation among these Chinese companies in the UAE, improving its system to better serve its members and furthering the communication with local governments and business community. Energy cooperation charts the course for future in Asia. China National Petroleum Corporation, Middle East, signed Yasat Opco and the onshore oil field concession and agreements on the Lower Zakum concession and the Sheikh Nasser concession in 2013, 2017 and 2018 respectively. Each and every step is down to earth and marks a milestone. On the 19th of March 2018, the China Council for the Promotion of International Trade, CCPIT, and the Khalifa Industrial Zone Abu Dhabi, KIZAD, signed a Memorandum of Understanding for Strategic Cooperation. As a significant part and signature project of the Industrial Capacity Cooperation in manufacturing and other industrial sectors, Jiangsu Province Overseas Cooperation Investment Company Limited, JOCIC, set up the China-UAE Industrial Capacity Cooperation Demonstration Park, which can integrate seamlessly the industrial capacity and operational expertise of the Chinese company with the geographic advantages, resources and local market of Abu Dhabi. Chinese enterprises have been gaining their presence and success in undertaking infrastructure construction projects in the UAE. The Al Jazeera Stadium, Abu Dhabi, built by the AVIC International Holding Corporation, is renowned as the first Olympic-class stadium in the Arabian Gulf. The Abu Dhabi International Airport, the largest international airport in the Middle East, has its steel construction cast by China State Construction Engineering Corporation, CSCEC, Middle East, the design and technique of which are top of the line in the world. Another example is COSCO's shippings project with Abu Dhabi Ports. With a concession agreement signed between COSCO Shipping Ports and Abu Dhabi Ports to build a second container terminal at Khalifa Port, the global competitiveness of Abu Dhabi Ports is set to be largely enhanced as China and the UAE cooperate on industrial capacity. Bank of China, BOC's Abu Dhabi branch, signed the Strategic Cooperation Agreement with China-UAE Industrial Capacity Cooperation Demonstration Park and Abu Dhabi Ports in support of funding the key projects to accelerate the social and economic transformation of the UAE. Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, ICBC's Abu Dhabi branch, has worked closely with Abu Dhabi National Oil Company, ADNOC, and other major enterprises to customize financing plans for China-UAE businesses. Charity carries a lot of weight in corporate social responsibility. Actions speak louder than words. Huawei has been launching the Seeds for the Future program in the UAE for 9 years. CSEC Middle East has taken on the responsibility of environmental protection for 4 years in a row by collecting waste from desert areas together with volunteers in the local community. Upholding the principle of putting people first and creating jobs, Chinese enterprises spare no efforts in the localization of team composition and operation management.
Hi, ni hao. 我是 Amna. I'm working in Bank of China, Abu Dhabi branch, and I'm so glad to working with Bank of China in Abu Dhabi, and I got a very good experience as Bank of China is one of the biggest banks in the world.
I worked here for more than 10 years. It's because of their friendly nature and we feel like a very family atmosphere. This is the reason I continue to work with Costco all these years, and I hope to work for another decade in this company.
A new journey begins with new visions. A contract was signed on 8th of May 2018, confirming China's participation at the Expo Dubai 2020. It showcases that the exchanges in economy and culture between China and the UAE have been given a new theme: building a community of shared future for the mankind, innovation and opportunity. Office of Chinese Business Council will inevitably bring forth a new starting point for its membership to promote the cooperation on industrial capacity, energy and finance, facilitate infrastructure construction, and focus on social charity and human-centered operation, in a bid to deliver benefits for all and embrace a promising future.